कोलवा हांगासर G.R.K एंटरप्राइजेसाच्या नव्या दुकानाचे उक्तावण जालें। 1989 सालांत कामत कुटुंबियान सुरवात केल्लो हो व्यवसाय आनी G.R.K एंटरप्राइजेसाचे नाव आता आनीक व्हड जालां। G.R.K एंटरप्राइजेस कडेन लायटीचे सामान, सौर उर्जेचेर चलपी वस्तू, केबल्स, दुचाकी खातीर तशेंच चारचाकी खातीर बॅटरी अशे साबार वस्तू उपलब्ध करून दितात।
G.R.K, a trusted name since 1989, started by Mr. Jayant Kamat and Mr. Vasant Kamat. We have opened today at Colva, Grand Vaneling, opposite police station. We are distributors for luminous inverters and batteries, solar, other luminous products. We are also distributors for cables, mainly Phenolics, NIG, and we also deal with Exide, two-wheeler batteries, four-wheeler batteries. We are now also come up with Gensets, brand name Ashok Leyland. This business was started in 1989 as just a small electronic shop, mainly dealing with cable hardware. But today we are expanded in so many different sectors, mainly in solar. We are doing on-grid and off-grid solar. Plus we are doing solar water heaters of brand Record. We are empowering lives from Pedne to Kanakona. We are also now available for Maharashtra and Karnataka, certain regions, border regions.